Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to produce this design on the flap. Okay, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button. For my old subscribers, thank you for being there for me. I drop videos every week, okay, on my YouTube channel. So feel free to visit our YouTube channel. Please share this post to your friends, to your colleagues. Just share this post on social media. All right, and please don't forget to click on like. Okay, when you click on like, it helps YouTube to share this with others as well. And so please click on the notification bell. Just click on it. It will notify you whenever I drop a new video. Let's go straight to the lesson. So what we need to do, what you measure is 2.5, 2.5, as you can see, 2.5. Okay, now the length is your desired length. It depends on the design, how long that zigzag like design is. Okay, depending on how you want it to go. But if it is across the shirt, the top part, a design across it, okay, all you just need to do, you do a long one, and then after placing and sewing it on your fabric, then you can cut the excess. But it's better you produce this with a long excess fabric than to produce it short and you do not have the desired measurement. Okay, all right, as we can see, this is the wrong side of your fabric, this is the wrong side. All right, this is the wrong side, this is the right side, and then fold it so that the wrong side will be seen. You fold it into two and you make use of your iron. You iron it, okay, together. Make sure you iron it together. This is the wrong side, okay, this is the wrong side. Iron it together on the wrong side, folding it. All right, it depends on how you want the thickness or the width of your design to be. Okay, for me here, I'll use this is 1/2 inch. Okay, this is half inch. I don't know if you can see it. Let me place it for you to see. This is 1/2 inch. Okay, 1/2 inch. Okay, I don't want it to be 1/2 inch. I want it to be just a line after the 1/2 inch. This is what I am using. Let me show you. Okay, I'm using this. This is what I am using. All right, this is 3/4. The line between the 3/4 and half is what we use. Okay, so I'll mark it. And so what you need to do is you rule this straight. With the aid of your ruler, you rule it straight. After ruling it straight, then you take it to the machine and you sew the line that you ruled straight. Okay, you sew it to the end. All right, after doing that, I will come and show you what I have done so far. All right, as you can see, I've run a stitch across the line I just dotted the other time. All right, and I cut the excess allowance, okay, leaving it with 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. So what we need to do now is, please, you stitch this part. Okay, this part you have to stitch this because we'll open this part. And so what we need to do is take our iron, open this, and then you press it. You press it down and use your iron to press it. So what you need to do, so the next step is you take your screwdriver or any tiny thing, this part that you stitched, okay, you
cross stitch, what you just need to do is, okay, we open it out. All right, watch me. Look at it, it's opened. All I just need is to bring it out, and next step is your water. You can use your steam iron. If you have a steam iron, you can neglect using your spraying can. All you just need to do is put your pressing pieces on top of it, and then all right, the style is simple. All right, just pay close attention to it. All right, just watch me. Look at what I did. This is the part I sewed the other time. Okay, this will be closed later. All right, so what I did is this. All right, then you spray water on it. If you have a steam iron, there's no need of spraying water on it. You just iron. All right, and then use your pressing wood to make it firm. Okay, and then the next step is, this is the next step. Can you see? This is the next step. All right, this is the next step. You spray. Okay, I'll turn it because this is the, turn it. Okay. Watch me as I turn it. Look at how it is. I'm turning it, okay, so that I can iron properly. This side is the side that is facing the flap. It will face the flap, so that's why. Okay, when it is like this, please, it is advisable you use your pressing pieces so that you won't destroy the design. You destroy the design. All right, okay, as you can see, this is going out well. All right, all right, having done that, okay, having done this, please watch it closely. Look at it. I'll take it to this side. Please don't forget, this is the side we'll always go back to this side to bring out our design. So just watch. All you just need to do is, okay, make it sharp. All right, okay, you can see, turn to the other side. This is how it is. Okay, all right, okay, use our pieces so that we don't destroy, we don't make that fabric a little bit too shiny. Means you have destroyed the fabric, right? And so this is what we've done so far. And so the next thing is, you know, we always go back to this side. The next thing is, now this is the next thing to do. Fold it this way. Okay. All right. Look at it. So forget. You can see. And so that's how you continue. Okay, as you can see. You spray. All right, so for this tutorial's sake, just to be quick, I might not use the pressing pieces, but it is advisable for you to use the pressing pieces. All right, I'll flip it so far. This is what we have done so far. Okay, please don't forget, this is what we have done so far. The next one is, you can see, this is the next one. Okay, this is the next one. You can see it's actually simple to do. Okay, all right, so please advise you use pressing pieces. Use pressing pieces, right? Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so flip it to the other side as usual. Okay.
All right. If you do not understand, please go to the beginning part of the video and go over the video again and again and again. Okay, you'll get it right.
All right, as you can see, we are through. Okay, this is your flap. Okay, all we need to do is, for this, mine is not as long, so I prefer you, when measuring yours should be long, very long. Okay, depending on the one you want. Like I said, this is the part that I'll show. Told you this is the part that I'll show. All right, as you can see, you just position it in your flap. If you want to start from here, fine. It's all yours. Okay, design. Make sure you position it middle part. All right. All you just need to do is stitch here. I want you to stitch here, stitch here, stitch here straight. Okay. After stitching it straight, you've hold this fabric here already. The next thing is to stitch here. Stitch it like this, stitch like this, stitch like this, stitch like this. Okay, stitch like this, come back again, stitch. Okay, stitch, 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 stitch. Okay, when I'm through, I'll show you the result. All right, you can see, look at how beautiful it is. Okay, all right, so please, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, click on subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this link on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, your TikTok, your social media. Okay, share it with friends and loved ones. Also, please, I drop video every week. Every week I drop videos. Feel free to visit my channel every week for new videos. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.